As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm trying to decide between two Char-Broil grills, both Performance Series Convective 4-burner with side burner cart propane gas stainless steel grill, 463,377,319. They look identical. What's the deal?
Whoa, that's odd. They even have the same name. Let's dig into the specs. So both are Char-Broil Performance Series. 4 burners, propane, stainless steel.
Yeah, I saw that. Both have a 36,000 BTU rating for the main burners and a 10,000 BTU side burner. And both can cook about 24 burgers on their 475 square inches of cooking space.
Okay, so cooking area and BTU output are the same. They both have porcelain-coated cast iron grates, electronic ignition, and even a temperature gauge on the lid. Dimensions are identical too, 25.8, DX 53.1 inches, WX 45 inches H.
And the weight? Both weigh 85 pounds. What gives? Even the product descriptions on Amazon are exactly the same.
This is strange. Let's see if there's anything different in the product details. Nope, same dimensions, same features, same materials. Cool. Okay, wait a minute. Both have the same ASIN number.
You're kidding? They have the same ASIN? That means...
Yeah, it means they are the same product, likely listed twice on Amazon with different ASINs due to some glitch. It's probably a mistake in Amazon's product catalog.
So, there's literally no difference? That's kind of a relief, but also super confusing.
Exactly. Don't sweat it. Just pick whichever one has a better price or shipping deal at the moment. Because, technically, you're looking at the same grill.
Okay, that makes things easier. I was starting to think I was going crazy. Thanks for sorting that out for me.
No problem. Happy grilling. And hey, maybe double-check customer reviews before you pull the trigger, just to be sure there aren't any widespread quality control issues on Astra's Ether 20 listing. Though, with identical ASINs, they probably share the same reviews too.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.